morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to learn some more bits in the first lesson. Okay? So look at the board my dear children, and before I start this, have you all answered yesterday's homework what I have given? Are you? Very good. Please follow regularly and read something, learn something. Okay. See, this is the purpose. We are giving this to made you to learn something. Okay, my dear children. Please learn. Follow the videos regularly and learn something. Okay. Shall we start? Okay, my dear children. Look at the board. Now, before I start, I have explained in the previous class about nouns. Am I right? Noun. What is noun? All the naming words are noun. All the naming words are noun. Names of people, names of things, names of animals, names of places. Am I right? All these are the names of everything is noun. Name of people, names of things, name of animal, name of places and all. Naming words are noun. So we are going to learn about noun only in this lesson, in this video. Okay, shall I start? See, look at the board all of you my dear children. Write the names of the people next to the places where they work. See here we have given places. So you have to write the name of these, name of the people, name of the persons, sorry, people only. Name of the people who work in a certain place. Suppose in classroom, who will be there? Teacher and students. Who will be there? Students and teacher. You can write one enough. One is enough. You can write only one. In the classroom, teacher. Very good. See, in the hospital, who will work in the hospital? First, when we remember about hospital, which person we get immediately? Doctor. Along with doctor, so many persons will work there. But hospital, doctor. Very good. See my dear children, these all you have to solve. Look at the board. Airport. Airport. Who will work in airport? So many are there. You can write only one. One is enough to write. Okay. Here I have written in classroom, teacher. Along with teacher, students will be there. Am I right? So I have taken only one people, one person. Okay. Here also in the hospital, doctor. Along with doctor, so many are there. So many will work there in the hospital. But I have taken doctor. In the airport, so many are there. You can write only one. One is enough. Here, field. Field means polalunana. Who will work in field? You can write field. In the field, only one will work. Am I right? So, in the field, shop. In the shop. In the bakery. In the bakery. See, if you have any doubt regarding this bit, to solve it, you can go through the video which we have posted on 13th. Okay, which we have posted on 13th. Right? See, airport, field, shop, bakery. For this, I haven't given any type of clue words for you because in the previous bits I have given clue. Okay? This one you have to solve. I want to test you whether you are following all the videos or not. So, follow the videos properly, listen to the teacher properly, and then answer it. Okay, my dear children. Now, we are going to underline the nouns. See here, underline the nouns. Noun means naming words. Very good. Noun means naming word. All the naming words are noun. So, names of people, names of things, names of animals, names of birds, names of places, all the names are nouns only. So, you have to underline the naming words from these sentences. Okay? Look at the board. I will solve one for you. Only one I will solve. Remaining you only have to solve. See here. Mowgli was a boy. Mowgli was a boy. What is the naming word here? In this sentence, how many naming words are there? How many are there? 2. Very good. See here. Mowgli was a boy. How many are there? 2. Now tell me, what are those 2 naming words? What are those 2 nouns? Mowgli. Very good. And Mowgli, then boy. Mowgli and boy. Very good. See here. Bhalu was a bear. Bhalu was a bear. What is the naming words in this sentence? What is the naming word? You only have to solve, my dear children. I won't say. I don't want to give answers now itself. You have to solve and send it to me. Okay. Bhalu was a bear. You only have to solve. Next. The monkeys lived on a tree. The monkeys lived on a tree. Next. The jungle was in India. The jungle was in India. The band made good music. The band made good music. In this, you have to underline the naming words. You have to identify and underline it. And then, one more question I am giving to you. Write the words that name 3 people, 3 things, 3 animals. 3 people, 3 things, 3 animals. You have to write the names of 3 people, names of 3 things, and the names of 3 animals. Okay? Are you all? Will you all solve this? Yeah, my dear children, tell me. Yes, very good. You all have to solve and learn. Learn and solve. If you have any doubt regarding this, to solve this, then you can go through the video which we have posted on 13th of August. Okay, 13th of this month. Okay, my dear children. Can I read once again? See here, in the classroom, teacher will work. In the hospital, doctor, airport, field, shop, bakery. These persons you have to write. Next, Mowgli was a boy. Underline the nouns. Mowgli was a boy. Bhalu was a bear. The monkeys lived on a tree. The jungle was in India. The band made good music. And again, write the words that name 3 people, 3 things, and 3 animals. Okay, my dear children, you have to solve this and send it in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today, my dear children. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice day.